Hi beautiful people, welcome and welcome back. So today I went to finally restock my oyster mushroom garden. So I'm officially starting this business. I got 100 gardens. Those are 100 gardens. I've officially started with the ones I had 10, and then I added some more, but I was just testing them to see. But now I have officially started the business with 100 gardens. We were offloading them because I don't make the gardens myself yet because it is a very long process. This is 100 gardens so far, and I will be taking you along on how the mushrooms are growing, how they are, how many kilos I am getting. If you're looking to get into this business, please don't procrastinate. Just start. These are the gardens. I was arranging them in the mushroom grow house. I was telling the person who was recording me how to record, but they didn't get the angles like I wanted it. But you can see I've lined the gardens up in the grow house. I removed all the other ones that I was using for testing, and I decided to start afresh with 100 gardens. I've learned how long it takes the gardens to mature, to fruit the first time, and how long it takes for them to put on more fruits the next time. So I learned all that on the other gardens. So now we are ready to go. I am set. I know I've established a market base because I was selling here and there. So I'm putting my network together. Guys, do not mind my camera person for today, but you can see the gardens are well lined up, and it is good that this season, it is the rainy season. It is raining all the time, and mushrooms need that cold environment. That means you will not have to water 4 times a day, but if it is the rainy season, you can just water them twice a day. As you can see, that chicken was trying to enter, they enter and look for worms to eat, but there are no worms in my grow house, but the chickens just like to move around. So those are the 100 gardens we have started this business with. Guys, I want you to come along, and if you're interested in this business, you can reach out to me. What I've learned so far, I can teach you, I can advise you accordingly, and you can start. Maybe you don't want to do it as a business. You want to just have the mushrooms for eating, something fresh from the garden. You can do that as well. Anyway, guys, that's all I had to share with you today. We'll see you in my next video. Can't wait to see your comments in the comment section and your questions as well. I'll be sure to answer them. Bye.